JS held investigated and reconstructed a collision involving 3 vehicles at an intersection. One vehicle was traveling eastbound and made a left turn to travel northbound when it was struck by 2 vehicles. Our accident reconstruction team utilized computer simulations, security camera footage, and black box data to determine that 2 vehicles were racing and traveling at more than twice the posted speed limit. The excessive travel speeds of the 2 vehicles that were racing led to a severe collision involving a left-turning vehicle and another vehicle that was waiting to turn left. Our team relied on gap acceptance research to demonstrate that 96% of drivers in the position of the left-turning driver would have also decided to turn left at that point in time in the intersection. Relying on human factors research, the analysis conducted by our accident reconstruction team indicated that the collision would have been avoided if the 2 racing vehicles were traveling closer to the posted speed limit.